We were just looking for something that was close to home and would allow her to further her training while we were in between seasons. Her club team would practice once a week, but we wanted something a little bit more than that, and really liked the idea and the concept of this in that it was preparing her for soccer, but also preparing her for all sports and strengthening and conditioning in different ways. One of the things that has been so great is that not only are they teaching them the moves and the stretches and warm-ups and cool-downs to be safe during a game, but they're telling them why and the hows and the mechanics of why it's important to do those things.
For sports performance staff, we're all certified. We all have our degrees, background in exercise science. We all have our strength and conditioning certifications. So I think the quality of coaching that you're getting and the fact that we're movement specialists, I think that really sets us apart from other facilities.
The people that are teaching them know what they're talking about. They are incredible. They have great charisma and energy. The kids enjoy being around them, and it's very clear that they enjoy being with and helping the kids. Her speed has increased significantly. Her running form has gotten a lot better, and I think she has just become stronger as an athlete overall.